doesn't really matter if you mess up because it's just gonna be covered anyways. Everything always looks better with glitter. I'm gonna start contouring my face. To me, I really like a Sugarskull with a contoured face. So I'm just gonna line the edges. Always brush down to blend. Arch your neck and just go just in the crease so it's not too much. And that's your own personal shading. Okay, now the detail. Black paint. I just use water paint. Okay, first thing we're just gonna draw a ring around our eyes. So when I do the nose, I do 2 lines, one taller than the other. Connect the 2. Easy enough? Yes. Okay, now we're gonna just draw bumps all around our eyes and then we're gonna stick gems in them. Then as far as design, you can kind of do whatever you want, really, honestly. I usually do a flower in the middle of my head because it's easy. Usually I just do a swirl on the side. And then I just finish my face and put on my lashes and I glue little gems. To me, everything is better with a little glitter. So I'm just gonna splash it kind of everywhere, to be honest.
Guys, do you think I look like that famous painting that's like this?
All right, now all we have left to do is I'm gonna put some jewels on my face, and the best thing I have learned to do that is to use eyelash glue. Take a wet Q-tip and some glitter, push it onto the paint.